what's up everybody? This your boy Unlimited Verses, and we're back at the whiteboard. And what we're going to do today is we're going to play a little game. This is like a little rhyming game that I kind of came across with, who was that? I think it was How to Rap Drew. Yeah, it was How to Rap Drew, and this is really helped me out. And as always, and as I learn something, I just pay it forward. But anyway, what you're going to do is you're going to pick a word and be like, I have a simple one, which is cat. And what you're going to do is along the side of your paper or notebook or whatever you're writing on, you're just going to number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or however you want to do it. And then you're going to have some alphabets, A, B, C, D, E. Now keep in mind, just because you start at 1, you don't have to start at A. You can start at G, H, I, J, K, L, however you want to do it. These are your words, and what this is going to do is this is going to serve multiple purposes. First thing it's going to do is this is going to help you quickly have rhyming words in your head at the ready for freestyling or impromptu writing sessions or things like that. And secondly, what we're going to do is we're going to take all these words and we're just going to make a simple rap, bar, whatever you want to call it. It may not be a full rap, it might be a bar or two or something like that. And that's just going to help you with writing, getting your ideas out, starting. Because a lot of times that is one of the hardest part of writing songs. It's just like starting the initial jump off part. So without further ado, with the word cat, we're just gonna do a simple one. You got at. Let's do this so that we can separate it. And obviously you got bat. And so you got cat. See, you can think of something else with it. I'm not sure if you can skip that. I had a word for that, but I could not think of it. I think it's move that contact. That's what it was. Contact. Contact. You got that, or you can say Dak. You like Dak Prescott. E, and if you can't think of a word for some letters, that's okay. Just leave that blank for now. You know. And like I said, this is just to get the juices in your head flowing and everything like that. And like I said, you just gonna, and after that, you just write a simple bar like me and the homie Dak. Let me see, me and homie Dak. Me and the homie Dak got contact, got the contact, got the contact, me and the homie Dak got the contact. Like, where you at? Like, where you at? These niggas look suspect. Bring the back. They look sus. Bring it back. B-R-I-N. Bring the bat. There. And like I said, just a simple little rhyme. Me and the homie Dak got the contact. Like, where you at? The little suspect. Bring the bat. Just a simple rhyme. And like I said, that's just gonna help you. Alright, now let's step it up a little bit. Let's give it a little bit more complex words. Say like cake. Cake is used a lot in rap rhymes, rap lyrics and stuff like that. So you're gonna number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or whatever. You go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay. Let's go with a different color. So you got cake. You got ate. I ate the cake. You're gonna bake a cake. Not sure what C can rhyme with cake. Maybe I can think of that later. Date. 8. Number 8. Fake. I don't mess with these fakes. Gate. Hate. I don't know what I. You I guess you can go with phrases. I ate, if you want to, and I'm about to name Jake. Yeah. Yeah. So, for cake, for the letter A, you got ate, bake. Couldn't think of nothing for C. I guess a lot of times cake is being used, so you can use it as like a, I want to say like a homonym, synonym, one of them where like cake you eat and getting cake like dough, money, something like that. Date, ate, and then there's fake. You could also use fate, F-A-T-E. Gate, hate, I ate, or I hate, Jake. And if you want to go more, you can go L, lake, O, not sure, L-M-N-O, P, Pake, I don't know, P-Q, quake, L, lake, L-M, make, and you can just go on and on and on. And a minute, let's see if I can come up with a rhyme with this. Give me a minute. Give me a second. Let me go with different colors. Go back to black. Let's see. Okay, let me see. I hate fake. I hate fake Jake. I hate fake Jake. I hate fake Jake. He ate all the cake. 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 Stole my date. Ate all the cake. Stole my date. Not once. It was November 8th. It came out the gate. Alright, so here's a little rhyme I came up with real quick. I think I used all of the words. Yeah, here it is. I hate, I hate fake Jake. He ate all the cake, stole my date. November the 8th, I knocked him over the gate. I mean, so it's something simple and stupid, but like I said, it's good mental practice to help you guys. And like I said, if it helped me, I'm pretty sure it'll help you. And as always, I'm Unlimited Verses. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think. Y'all stay true. Peace.